a Kaizen digital meat thermometer, and it's great for grilling, barbecuing, boiling, baking, and any cooking that you want to do. So let's open it up and take a peek. This is really great because it has a nice LCD display too. It also comes with directions as well. This is what the product looks like. Let's open it up. The nice thing about this, it has an extra battery as well. And once you start opening it up, then it starts working. It even is going to tell us what the temperature is inside this room, which is 81.5 degrees. So cool. And another nice feature, it shows you how much you should cook your food for. It even shows you how much the internal temperature of the meat is supposed to be, because you want to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. So for example, it says poultry should be 165 degrees, ground meat should be at least 160, beef, lamb, pork, and veal, and it shows you what temperature should be for medium rare, medium, as well as well done. Another nice thing, it's magnetic in the back. So you can just stick this on your refrigerator or any other metal device and it's going to stick perfectly. That's very convenient and versatile as well. Another nice feature is it has this hole right here. So if you want, you can put this on an S-hook and hang it in your kitchen as well. Another nice storage feature is they gave these hook and loop stickers. So you can stick it onto the back of the device and wherever else you want to stick it to. Say it's your wall or your countertop. So versatile and easy to use. You also don't need to just use it for meat. You can use it for beverages, as well as frying oil, and even formula too. It also comes with this operation manual, as well as this meat temperature chart too. You can also do Celsius temperature as well. And right now we're cooking some chicken, so we're gonna stick it in and see how it works. The nice thing is it has a light too. Perfect. Just a little bit more. I am really loving this. This really takes all the guesswork out of cooking, and I'm super impressed. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.